How to block all adult website on Google Chrome in Android mobile. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is just open up your Google Chrome over here and then tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on settings option over here. Now just scroll down and you can see the option of privacy and security over here. Tap on that. Then scroll down and tap on use secure DNS. After you tap on that, you choose another provider, then select on custom. So here you can see different DNS from public DNS, Next DNS, Cloudflare, Open DNS, and clean browsing. So all you have to do is just select on clean browsing. Now go back and you'll be able to see the option or the issue of adult website on your Google Chrome has been blocked. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.